What's going on, YouTube? I'm just here to show y'all our new car alarm that we just got a few months ago. We had the car for a little bit now, but we just installed it a few months ago. All right, check it out. All right, so just in case you were wondering, this is a 2015 Ford Taurus. All right, when I push the lock button once, this is what happens.
Bruh. Bruh.
All right, when I push the lock button twice, this is what happens.
These nuts.
You have to make sure that you push it quick because otherwise it's not gonna take. All right. Now for my unlock button, when I push it once, this is what happens. All right, now when I push it twice, this is what happens. Remember, you gotta push it quick.
Really, nigga? Really, nigga?
All right, now you have your panic button, which is the red down there. When I push that one, this is what happens.
Got him! Got him! Got him! Got him!
It's pretty loud, but hey. One other thing that I had, well, that I didn't have on my Explorer and also on my Focus was a trunk feature. So I also customized the trunk. All right, I'm gonna push the button, and this is what happens. And there you have it. That is my new car alarm. All right, thanks for watching.